Hey everyone, welcome back to the podcast.
This is where we talk about real life in simple English.
No teachers, no pressure.
Just honest conversations.
And today we have a fun topic.
Yes, we do. Today we're talking about making breakfast together.
One of my favorite things in the world.
Same here. I love breakfast.
But first, we should introduce ourselves.
Good idea.
My name is Alex. I'm from Seattle in the United States. I love cooking, but I'm not always good at it.
That's honest. I like that. My name is Emma. I'm from Chicago. I enjoy cooking simple food, especially breakfast food.
Breakfast food is the best food.
I agree. Pancakes, eggs, toast, coffee.
Now I'm hungry.
Me too.
So today, imagine this. It's a slow Sunday morning. The sun is coming through the window, and we're in the kitchen.
Yes, the kitchen smells like coffee.
And maybe bacon.
Oh yes, bacon too.
So, Emma, when you wake up in the morning, what is the first thing you do?
The first thing? Honestly, I make coffee.
Same here.
I cannot think without coffee.
Me too. My brain is sleeping until I drink coffee.
Exactly.
So, in this imaginary morning, you are making coffee.
Yes, I take the coffee beans, I grind them, then I start the coffee machine.
Wow, that sounds fancy.
It's not fancy, it's just habit.
I usually just press one button.
That works too.
So, the coffee is ready. What do we cook first?
I think eggs.
Good choice.
Eggs are simple and fast.
Okay, so I open the refrigerator.
And you see eggs.
Yes, and also milk, orange juice, and some strawberries.
Oh, strawberries are great for breakfast.
Yes, they are sweet and fresh.
So, Alex, how do you cook your eggs?
That's a good question. I like scrambled eggs.
Me too.
They're easy. You break the eggs in a bowl.
Then you mix them.
Right, you mix them with a fork.
Do you add milk?
Sometimes, a little milk makes the eggs soft.
Yes, it does.
So, I crack maybe 3 eggs.
3 eggs? That's a lot.
I'm hungry in the morning.
Fair enough.
So, I mix the eggs, then I put a pan on the stove.
Do you add butter?
Of course, butter makes everything better.
That's true.
The butter melts in the pan.
And it smells amazing.
Yes, it does.
Then you pour the eggs into the pan.
Slowly.
And you move them around with a spatula.
Yes, slowly, slowly.
You don't want to cook them too fast.
Right. Slow cooking makes them soft.
Wow, Alex, you sound like a professional chef.
I watch a lot of cooking videos.
That helps.
Meanwhile, what are you doing, Emma?
I'm making toast.
Ah, classic breakfast.
I take 2 slices of bread and put them in the toaster.
White bread or wheat bread?
Wheat bread.
Good choice.
The toaster pops up and ding!
Toast is ready.
Then I add butter.
Butter again.
Always butter. And sometimes I add jam.
What kind of jam?
Strawberry jam.
That sounds perfect with the strawberries from the fridge.
Exactly.
So now we have scrambled eggs, toast, pancakes, strawberries, coffee.
It sounds like a restaurant.
Yeah, but it feels more special
Why?
because we made it together.
That's true.
Cooking with someone is fun.
It is. You talk, you laugh, you share stories.
Exactly.
My favorite breakfasts are not in restaurants.
Really?
Yes, they're at home with friends or family.
I understand that.
One time, my sister and I made breakfast for our parents.
That's sweet.
We woke up very early.
How early?
6 in the morning.
Wow, that's early.
We made pancakes, eggs, and coffee.
Were your parents surprised?
Very surprised.
Did they like it?
Yes, but the pancakes were a little burnt. Burnt pancakes are still pancakes.
That's what my dad said.
Good, Dad.
What about you, Alex? Any funny breakfast stories?
Oh, yes. Tell me.
One time I tried to make an omelette,
That sounds normal.
but I put too many things inside.
Like what?
Cheese, mushrooms, onions, tomatoes, spinach.
That's a lot.
The omelet was too heavy.
Uh-oh.
When I tried to flip it, everything fell out. It became scrambled eggs.
Accidental scrambled eggs.
Exactly.
Did it taste good?
Actually, yes.
That's what matters.
Cooking doesn't have to be perfect.
I agree.
Sometimes mistakes make good food.
And good memories.
Yes.
And breakfast is special for another reason, too.
What's that?
It starts the day.
That's true.
A good breakfast can make the whole day better.
Especially when you eat with someone.
Yes.
Talking, laughing, drinking coffee.
Slowly waking up.
No rush.
Just enjoying the morning.
That sounds peaceful.
It really is.
So, maybe tomorrow morning?
Yes?
We should make breakfast again.
I like that idea.
But next time,
What?
you make the pancakes. And I'll make the eggs.
Deal.
And maybe we try something new.
Like what?
French toast.
Oh, wow, that's a great idea.
See? Breakfast ideas never end.
That's why breakfast is the best meal.
I totally agree.
Well, everyone, thanks for spending this morning with us.
We hope our little breakfast conversation helped you practice English.
Remember, learning English can be simple.
Talk about everyday things,
Like food.
like mornings.
Like making breakfast together.
And don't worry about mistakes.
Just keep speaking.
And keep enjoying the conversation.
Thanks for listening, everyone.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.